Well, tonight we're gonna show you guys how to make homemade pizza at home, so you don't have to go to no place like fast food place to buy the pizza. Because normally it's better when you make a pizza at home than buy it at a fast food restaurant. Which yes, you can support fast food restaurant, but I enjoy making my own pizza. I don't know for anybody else, but when I make my own pizza at home, it's better for me. But I'm gonna show you guys how to make homemade pizza. First, we're gonna use the all-purpose flour. Normally, you guys can wait, but I don't really wait because I'm making it for me. Wow. Well, nothing else is gonna use on the table. So I'm gonna use. Let's see. I think that is enough. I don't want to make enough. So first, you have that out of the way. So put this one side. Then we have water. Normally you can weigh your water, but I don't want to weigh my water. So you add salt. Normally you use palm oil, but vegetable oil, Alaska oil, yeah, them cheap and affordable. So you use the oil. This. You don't have yeast coming this, you have yeast coming the big pot. You have to bust it down. So you throw yeast. Okay, I think that is enough. Then you whisk the yeast. If you're using a machine, you don't really have to whisk the yeast, but for me, I don't really have time for no machine, so you have to whisk. And you get the flour, and if you feel like it's not enough, you add more. Then you start to knead the dough. So you knead and knead, knead, knead till you get the texture you need. You knead and knead. Then if you like you want more flour, you need a little plus. Then you need again, need. Take out a piece of the dough. It's really fun doing this kind of thing. It's really easy. That's it. I'm going to sprinkle a little flour. Then I'm going to leave it for about 5 minutes. Then I come back right to it.